Hola! How about making our lives crunchier? Cool! Let's make delicious sesame crackers. In a bowl, add 300 grams of sesame seeds, 100 grams of pumpkin seeds, 60 grams of parmesan cheese, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of psyllium, half cup of water, and salt to taste. Mix until everything is well combined. Yeah, let's bake it! Okay, we are going to bake it using 2 different temperatures. First, preheat your oven to 170°C. Line a parchment paper on a baking sheet and spread out your dough over it. Bake it for 20 minutes. Now bring back your crackers. Cut them into the shape you like. As you can see here, we will have rectangles. Lower the heat to 140°C and bake them for another 40 minutes. Yum yum yum! That's it, guys! Make sure all crackers are dry when you get them from the oven and let it cool before serving. Yay! Time to have my afternoon snack! And don't forget, subscribe to our channel to check new recipes. Also, you can find this entire recipe in our blog or in the link more below. Bye!